Hey guys, what is up? So I'm here with Alex, or what's her name, Harley Quinn. So I am doing a collab with her, and so we are playing her game. So let's hop right into the video. Let's go. So she made a game, and so we're gonna go play it with her. I just gave her admin in my game, so shout out to her. Link in the description. Anyway, just need this to load and hooked up to internet. Hey. Oh, okay, we're doing roleplay and get free admin. Okay, so let me show you all our creations. Oh, I'm already in. So I told her that I was here. Oh, yay, I got admin. Okay, let me look at my CMDS. Wait, no, oopsies. CMDS. I meant to do CMDS. I'm so stupid. Is there kidnapped? Come on. There has to be it. Kidnap me. Oh, come on. No. No. No kidnap. Oh, no kidnaps. That's sad. There's no kidnap. You know what else? What if I did? Loop fling Alex. Whoop. What? I can't loop fling other people. Wait, loop. Is that not a command, or did I read wrong? Hey, look, there's other people here. The Cookie Man. Hi, Cookie Man. Hi, Cookie Man. Hi, Cookie Man. I wonder if I can, get out the uns. I don't want the uns. What if, I've got it. Shiny all. Yeah. I'm gonna shiny everyone. Shiny all. Shiny all, go. Everyone be shiny. I spelled that wrong. Shiny all. Everyone be shiny. How does this not work? You know what? What code is this man playing? Not playing any code. No, don't copyright me. Please. Please don't copyright me. Please don't copyright me. Cookie Man. Yes, please. Don't copyright me, Cookie Man. Dude. Me have YT. I ain't. This dude needs to. I am. Okay, you know what? I'll be him. I wanna be him. I'll be this man. Swap me the. Just that. Swap me the cookie. Please don't make this one. This man right here. Okay, who is blowing these? This is getting annoying. Where is this coming from? Okay, you know, hat remover? No! Dad, we'll just take blue because I want to be completely blue. No. Blue doesn't. Ew! 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 Alex, what other games that are yours? Cause I kind of want to just swap bodies with you. Swap bodies with you. I am clicking them. Let's be flying with the unicorn. It's unicorn time. I mean, it's unicorn time. Unicorn. Okay, the music one without tags in its name. Tags in its name, please. Sorry, caps. Okay, so everyone left. We are actually so we got another tagging along cookie salon. That's not the one. Okay, which one? Okay, so she must have gone into the game. So wait, I'll just join you. I'll just join you. Okay, so let's refresh our page here. Okay, so she's looking for her own game. Wait. Okay, so that should get her attention. Let's refresh. Okay, so she's in the game. Okay, so she's in the game. We're hopping in Roblox. Okay, I'll tell her. Joining. So we are hopping in her game. Hello world. Can I get admin? Can I get admin in this game? Can I get admin? Thanks. Okay, so thank you. CMTS. What should we do? Face player number. Fix. Hold on, isn't there like a fling command? Fling me. Oh, yeah, loop. Fling me, please. I want to be flung a million times. Fling. Okay. Loop. Fling me, please. Am I on? You know what? Nuke me, please. Just nuke me. Sorry, I've always wanted to know what that command did. Because I saw it on Flamingo's channel. Okay, they're going to, I'm actually surprised on how cool this is. Well, I can do this. Size. So I am waiting on them to come. Wait, is she even online? Did she go offline? No. Okay, she's online, but she doesn't seem to be in my game. So they still haven't joined yet. I'm wondering if they were in a server or not. I'm wondering, should I refresh? I think I'm gonna refresh, because I'm not sure why. Sorry, I was watching the vid to see if I missed anything. Here's your admin. Admin A. Ha ha ha. I will now head admin A. Head admin A. Head admin A. What else was I gonna do again? I forgot. Oh yeah. VIP A. What else shall I do? Well, I have no clue. Hey, Alex, is George. Tintin. Oh yeah. Mod A. Hey. Mod A. Yeah, that was it. Oofies! Hey, I was trying to... Oof! Anyway, I think I'll just, wanna be friends, XD, even though we... Oh, wait, no. Need to use... like this. Fly me. Okay, so, yeah, that kind of sums up the video besides, I can do this. It kind of really sums up the video. Okay, so, yeah, she's actually, really confused, so, fly me, no, no clip me, okay, that should, I don't, oh yeah, I can just E, hey, I'm at E, bruh, shit, let me just, TP all me. That should just help her for now. I did? Yeah, you guys, I didn't make the donut thing yet. Ooh. Oh yeah. Well. I can also, because I no-clip myself anyway. Well, that sums up the vid on my channel. That sums up the vid on my channel.